Hey guys, this is the Saigamiproject and my name is Andrea Otilia Vörös, aka Sunny, creator of the manga series Saigami, published and serialized in Saturday AM, the bi-weekly digital manga anthology. So, as you can see, I have this Artist 15.6 graphic tablet here on the couch because I totally wasn't prepared for this video, so the couch was the most convenient place to put this beauty down. So yeah, I'm gonna do an unboxing and I'm gonna try this tablet out and I'm super excited. So let's get started. So I hope this camera angle won't be too bad. I never done an unboxing video because usually I don't have too many fancy stuff to show off, but I figured this could be a very interesting stuff because, oh my god, it's kind of heavier than I thought, or maybe I'm just too much of a wimp. So anyway, this is a really nice box, and there we go. So this is my very first graphic tablet, and my camera is shaking. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I hope you won't get any motion sickness, and I will do my best not to move around too much. So this is my very first graphic tablet. Previously I only had your usual drawing tablets, like my first one was a small Genius, then I switched to a bigger Genius pen mouse. I have to open this. And then I switched to a Wacom Intuos, but now I wanted to try out something new, and I always wanted to have something like a Cintiq, but of course I can't afford a Cintiq, so I was looking for cheaper solutions, and then I found this XP Pen tablet. So, oh wow. Actually, this is way bigger than what I was expecting. Like, wow. I was expecting the display to be smaller. I know it said it's gonna be 15.6 inches, but I have no idea about inches. Like, I can only compare them to Subway sandwiches, and that's usually not a good way to measure things, so don't mind me that. Wow, this looks beautiful. So, wow. Yeah, this is so awesome. Like, it has the hotkeys or express key buttons, which I really wanted to have, because I got really used to them on my Wacom Intuos. These are really helpful. Oh my god, this is beautiful. And yeah, the unique thing about this drawing monitor is basically that it doesn't have any stand on the back. For some people it might be disturbing, but I actually was really happy about this, because usually I draw at my desk, so I don't have to get used to a new stand to draw on, and this way make carrying this around way easier. And in the future I will be traveling a lot between Canada and Hungary, so having a small sized and really thin graphic monitor that I can carry around is a really good thing. So this is super. So I'm gonna put this to the side very carefully, and let's continue. So, okay, I suck with pulling boxes out of things. I guess that's it. There's nothing more. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna put this to the side, and I would assume in this box we have everything else. Okay, so this is assuming the pen holder, I guess. Oh yeah, this should be the pen holder with wraps around it. I don't know how to pull it off. Oh, yeah, there we go. So this will be the pen holder. It's actually has an interesting design, not your usual Wacom design, and it can be opened. So it probably can. I don't know how. I will figure that out later. But anyway, this will be the pen holder. Cable for... oh, it an HDMI. Oh, I think I know what this is. It's probably for when you don't have an HDMI plug on your computer or laptop. I think, yeah, mine should have one, so I should be good. I really have no idea what this is. Okay, I got it now. So this is the various plugs for the power outlets. Oh, actually, this is really amazing that they have this, because you know, I'm from Hungary, but currently I'm living in Canada, and they do have different power outlet plugs in Hungary and in Canada. So it was really troublesome to get, you know, those sort of adapters, so I can use my cables for my laptop, for my phone and everything here in Canada, and vice versa. So the thing that they actually include something like this and you don't have to go after them, it's just beautiful. Like, this makes me so happy. Okay, don't have to get another adapter if I want to use this, and I can just go home to Hungary, use this, and here in Canada I can use, assuming this. Yeah, these look weird, but I assume, yeah, these are for other countries I never visited, but god, these are weird. Like, really? What countries are they using this? Oh well, doesn't really matter. Ooh, there's a pen. Okay, so this is the pen. It's actually super light, like, way lighter than what I'm used to with the Wacom. I'm gonna open this because I'm excited. It's like Boxing Day once again. It's pretty neat. Okay, this is really nice. It's sort of a triangular shape, but not too much. It has two buttons. I don't think the back is an eraser. Actually, that doesn't really disturb me because I wasn't using the eraser like that on my Wacom. It has XP pen written here, and here's the nib. Okay, this is gonna be exciting, and yeah, it's somewhat lighter. Like, I think I prefer the pen or the grip on the Wacom for this first comparison, because that feels a bit more heavy and thicker in my hand, and I kind of prefer when pencils, pens, whatever, are having a thicker grip. Like, I'm usually adding a rubber grip to my pencils and my pens, but yeah, this is not bad. I can get used to this. So, but you know, it's all up to your personal preference. Like, I know there are people who prefer thinner pens and pencils, so yeah, I guess this is a safe midway. Okay, so this is the pen holder. Ooh, it's a bit wonky. Like, yeah, it's probably safer to store it like that. I don't know, it's yeah, I guess I will have to figure that out, because it kind of moves around in this. Well, it shows something in the back, and I have no idea what that means. Oh well, I have to figure that out, because I'm making a fool of myself here. So, okay. Cables. I hope it's simpler than what it seems, because yeah, it's a bunch of USB cords, and okay, let's open this. I'm usually no good at cables. Like, I know how to assemble stuff, but connect with radio. Oh my god, this is like foolproof. So you have to connect this with the red USB, and oh yeah, this is actually an HDMI, and okay. Oh, so this is all in one. So you connect this to your there, yeah, you connect this to your HDMI, and the rest goes to some places. I know that this should go into the tablet. Like, this is the only thing that should connect into the monitor, because yeah, I saw that on Amazon when I was ordering it. And the rest goes, I guess one goes into the laptop and the other one should go into the power plugs. Yeah, assuming that will be the red one, because that has an extension. So yeah, that's pretty easy actually. Like, yeah, and I can handle it. And yep, here are some nifty things. Like it comes with a glove, and that's a really good thing because, you know, you don't want to scratch your monitor. The only problem is that this seems so big. I mean, I know I'm small, like I'm only 5 feet tall, so I'm super small, and that comes with super small hands, so yeah, it's it's kind of big, but yeah, I guess I just need to get used to this so I can make some adjustments. I mean, I just need to make this smaller. Oh, all those years of cosplay making will come handy now. So, oh, actually that's nice. They included a cleaning cloth. It's really nice. It has a nice touch. Because yeah, I want to keep this beauty clean. There's a bunch of stuff. Okay, so this is the guidebook. That will come really handy. Thank you for supporting. You're welcome. Oh yeah, these are the various types of their stuff in various languages. So yeah, here are their various tablets, I guess. Although I can't see mine. Oh well. Warranty, yay. Join for extra warranty, cool. And yeah, there's an installation CD. And that's pretty much all of the box. It seems pretty simple, pretty neat. I'm actually really happy because, you know, this is my first graphic tablet, so I don't really have anything to compare it with, like just my usual tablets. And I had a chance to try it at Cintiq before, so I will try to compare it to that. And I have some experience using Windows Surface with the pen, the Surface pen, so I will compare it to that. But all in all, my first impression is that, wow, this was a really good deal. Like, this tablet was actually more on the cheap side, way cheaper than any sort of Cintiq. But nothing here feels cheap. Like, I don't feel like I received a China version or a rip-off version of a Wacom. Like, all of this seems legitimate and really messy. Yeah, welcome to my life, people. Okay, so now I'm gonna clear off this couch and try it with my laptop. Wish me luck!